Biosecurity information for Mycoplasma bovis. If you've assessed your farm risk and you understand the testing options from our second video, here are some tips around biosecurity to help you in keeping the disease off your farm. 90 to 95% of the spread of M. bovis is by animal spread. The single most important thing you must try and do is to prevent infection coming onto your milking platform. The second most important thing you must do is to try to prevent your young stock getting infected if they're out at grazing or any other stock that are out at grazing. Where possible, make sure that all boundary fences at grazing are at least 2 to 3 metres away from other boundary fences so that there's no animal-to-animal contact. There's a very small risk of other infection on your farm by trucks, cars or other people. This is a tiny risk and you need to keep it into perspective. So for example, your tanker track, as long as cows don't pass over it, is almost zero risk. Vehicles that go into the paddock, such as vets' vehicles, bulkies, they have some risk, but as long as they are clean and disinfected, the risk is very low. There is a slightly greater risk from equipment that may be used between farms, so all our veterinary equipment is properly disinfected, and you should do likewise with all your stuff. There may be merit in having a foot bath outside your shed to make sure that visitors that do arrive in your shed can clean properly, and having disinfectant around should be a must. But please be realistic about the risk. As I said, 95% of the risk is from animal contact and direct animal contact, and all other risks are very small.